What's happening, fanatics? I'm out here with my boys in Kis-Balaton. It's like a smaller version of Big Balaton. And you know the guys, Danny Mester here. We got here Mate Vashkoyo, and I also got Mark Marhayo on the phone. So we just caught a fish, a nice rod, a silver rod. He caught it on the corn, fake corn here. Hold on. It looks like this. Here's the corn, and we are using method feeders. We all got the more or less same setup with method feeders between 30 to 60 grams, and we got pellets. So yeah, my fanatics, weather is nice, sunny. We're in the beginning of September, so if we catch something again, I'll be back, of course. A small bream. Mate kamutash. Mate is holding the fish. Yes, Mate, the camera. And he's gonna put it back in the water. Come, Mate, let's put it in the water. Catch and release. Hoppa. It's gonna go back in a second. Oop. Bye-bye. The bite is kind of slow. We had a couple of fish in the morning when we first came. Now towards around noon, around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock is a bit slower. But Mate here caught a nice rod, silver rod. Beautiful. And we caught it on a little small, about, I don't know, 3-4 millimeter pineapple. It was a pineapple pellet. Come Mate, let's throw the fish back. Då blir kvissa Mate, come. Very nice, Mate, good job. So guys, what we're using is, hold on, I'll show you. I have a method, here we have it, method feeder. We are using a mix of squid and spice in this greenish brownish color. We got some pellets here, 2 smaller pellets, and I'm using a 10-foot boilie rod, but I don't have the boilie weights yet. That's why I can't. They're coming now. They're bringing them from the fish shop, so I'm gonna put on a boilie instead in hope of catching bigger carp. But right now we're using method feeder. I have a really big reel. It's a 10,000 size. Actually, you don't need that big, but I have to use it because of I didn't have any other thing right now. But the rod is 10 feet. It's got casting weight of 90 grams. Because I want to use a PVA bag once I get the boilie weight. That's a 60 gram pear lead. So yeah, I'll come back again when fish comes. So guys, Danny Mester is playing the super monkey and picking out these fishing. Oppa! Oh no, Danny! Ay ay ay, Danny be good, Danny Mester. Again, watch out, Danny. Again, here you have them, guys. We have another weight in the water. Okay, Danny, come. So guys, Mate caught his first fish. It's coming here. He caught on the yellow small 2 to 4 millimeter size pineapple pellet. It's coming there in the water, and it's a nice small bream. Na John yo Mate, very good job Mate, come. Okay, proud fisherman with his nice fish. High five Mate. So guys, Mark hooked up into a, we think it's a carp. The rod is bending nicely. Seems to be like a biting period now. Hop. Wait, hold on. Danny Mester with the net, like always, perfect. Mateka. Oh, guys, this seems to be a better fish. Igen, láttam a féket is engedte. Ez ponty, ez pocska. Akadó talált? Watch, just take careful. Guys, it's really fun now. You can see the the rod end bending. It seems to have snug into some kind of cover. Usually that's typical for carp. They find a tree or some kind of brush, vegetation, stone, and we're stuck. Yeah. De az tuti hal volt. Ugyanaz, hogy engem rángatta, aztán ott hagyt. Kijött. Megvan. Oh, we got the fish. He came out of the snag, guys. Come on, Mark. Come on. Ott jön. Ez ponty, nem? Kárász? Hú, de nagyon szépen sírt, Mark. So guys, it's a rod. No, it's ponty.
Nem áll.
There's a kis ponty. Mark caught a small little ponty. Carp, I mean. Is it carp, Mark? Small carp. Mirror carp? Nem mirror carp. Or is it the rod? Az de nagyon szépen küzdörgöm. Amúgy én is azért téveztem, látod, hogy mondtam, gyertek hozzám. Guys, here. Mark brings the beautiful... nem látom, és várjál. Look at this. This is a small carp. Okay guys, we'll continue. So guys, Mate caught another one. Mate, hoppa. Yay! Nice little bream.
Mr. Fish.
Mr. Fish. Fanatics, what's happening? So this is the outro. I couldn't do it by the water, it was really stormy. Started, you know, coming lightning and stuff, so I'm doing it here now out at home. We caught those couple of fish, as you could see in the video. We had a couple of more really small, like hand size bream, around the size of my hand. I didn't film those, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Like always, like, subscribe, fish a lot, take care, and see you soon on another Fanatic fishing video.